Hi everyone, welcome to the equations video series. Looking at stage 5.2, learning intention is to solve linear equations, and we'll be solving equations with grouping symbols. So as always, start with the revision questions. Pause the video, do the questions, and then listen again. We have 9 lots of x plus 1. So we've got 9 lots of x and 9 lots of 1, which is 9x plus 9. So multiply both numbers by 9. This one, same thing, 3 times x, take away 3 times 5, which gives you 3x minus 15. Question 3, solving the equation. So solve here, and up here was simplifying, or expanding and simplifying. So 5x plus 1, we subtract 1 from both sides, giving us 5x equals 15, and then divide by 5. Fifteen divided by 5 is 3. Question 4, 5x equals 2x plus 3. So I like to think letters on the left, numbers on the right. Minus 2x from both sides. Which gives us 5x minus 2x is 3x. And from this side, this part disappears, so we've just got plus 3, just 3. Then divide by the number in front of the x. So divide by 3. Divide by 3, so x equals 1. So our first example that goes in your notes book is this one, 3a plus 2 lots of a minus 5 equals 10. We need to expand the brackets here first. So 3a plus 6 comes from here. Same thing with this one. 2a minus 10 equals 10 for our equation. So for this step, we have 3a plus 2a is 5a, and 6 minus 10 is minus 4. So 6 minus 10 is minus 4. Then we add 4 to both sides, so 5a equals 14, and divide by 5 for our last step. So how many 5s are in 14? 2 remainder 4 over 5. Next example, 3 lots of 2m is 6m. 3 lots of 5 is 15. So on the left-hand side, we have 6m minus 15 equals 2m plus 5. And then we get the letters on the left and the numbers on the right. So we take 2m from both sides. To get 4m, so 6m minus 2m is 4m. And add 15 to both sides to give 20. Last step is divide by 4. So m equals 5. So these are the questions you need to do. Again, do these questions in your workbook. Pause the video and then play when you are ready to check. So for question 5, 3a plus 4, expand the brackets, gives you 3a plus 12. And 2a plus 1 gives you 2a plus 2. So a plus 1 times 2 is 2a plus 2 equals 19. Then we've got 3a and 2a is 5a. And 12 plus 2 is 14. Then we take 14 from both sides. Nineteen take away 14 is 5. This part disappears. And then divide by 5 gives you a equals 1. Question 6. Again, expand the brackets. And this plus sign separates the two brackets. So do these separately. So the 5a plus 2, 5 lots of a plus 2 becomes 5a plus 10. And 2 lots of a plus 8 becomes 2a plus 16. Five a plus 2a becomes 7a. 10 plus 16 becomes 26. And now we take 26 from both sides. 40 take away 26 is 14. 7a equals 14. Divide by 7 to give a equals 2. Okay, for questions 7 and 8, again, pause the video, press play when you're ready to go. So we expand the brackets again. 4 lots of 3m is 12m. 4 lots of 2 is 8. 2m plus 10 from the right hand side stays. This 2m needs to go over this side. So we take it away from 12, giving us 10m. And the minus 8 then gets added to this side. So 10 plus 8 is 18. Next step, divide both sides by 10. So we get 1 remainder 8 over 10. Divide both sides by 2, or divide the fractions by 2 to simplify. So we get 4 over 5. So we should actually simplify this fraction. It's not finished until that's done. Question 8, expand the brackets. So 9 times 2 is 18m. 9 times 3 is minus 27, equals 8m plus 8. First step, subtract 8 from both sides. So we get 10m. Add 27 to both sides. So 10 plus 27 is 37. And again, divide by 10. So we get 3 remainder 7 over